Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. I live in UK, summer here doesn't exist. If you wanna follow me, we're gonna go a second to Genova and we're gonna bring the best basil that we can get. A fantastic summer recipe, pesto pasta. Facciamolo! Right guys, this recipe is so quick that first of all we're gonna put some water. Camera woman, please.
My bad.
We put some water in a pan, maximum temperature, and we leave that on the side. In the meanwhile, we're gonna grab a mixer, any mixer will do. We're gonna start putting our Parmesan, garlic. Usually you need pine nuts. I could not find pine nuts anywhere else. Let's use cashews. I took salted one, so be careful when you add the salt. And the first part of the olive oil. We can start blitzing everything. We're gonna blitz this until it becomes a nice paste before adding the basil. We will add our secret ingredients. There's no secret anymore. Ice. We're gonna add our basil. Also add the second part of olive oil. Start slowly. Then a bit faster. Then if you like your wife, put the lid. Our pesto is ready. Once we reach this color and this consistency, you have done a very good job. Try to not waste any pesto, Everything is very expensive nowadays. Water is boiling, little bit of salt. I picked rigatoni for that because my camera woman says that they can scoop the pesto inside, so it will be like mini cannelloni. In my previous is pasta kitchen, in my previous is pasta video. In my previous pasta videos, I've always showed you to cook the pasta much less than what is actually right on the package, because then we create the chuch in the pan. For this recipe, we don't need to do that, because the pesto is already creamy and oily enough to create the chuch that we need for this pasta. It's time to check the pasta. Perfect. So now, turn off. We like to let the pasta rest a little bit in the water because it gets stressed, Drain the pasta straight into the bowl. Don't worry about draining it properly. We still need a touch of that water to create the magical magic of Dino's Kitchen. You know what's the magical magic?
Chuch.
Exactly, chuch. Chuch is important. And now, mix it. This is the noise. Without this noise, we are not making a good pasta, trust me. This is crema. Gordon Ramsay, where you go and cry? It's a way of saying in Napoli, da roba a chiaro. If you wanna be a bit fancy, tu mangia bassa, io mi uccidete, ne passo cazzo. La presentazione, basta che mi fai mangiare sta pasta che una cazzo di fame. Ready for the special touch, the special secret? a little bit of lemon zest. Basil and lemon together is like me and my wife. Perfection. Sono un buchino, no? Moment of the truth. We ready? Oh. Sprinkle of Parmesan. It's almost a shame ruin all this presentation. It took me 5 minutes to do it. Just for you guys. But now it's time to dig in. Noise check. Uchuchiness. Now the check noise is done. Wow. I think this time the camera woman is not gonna taste any pasta. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please help us grow the channel. It's very important for us. Like, subscribe, turn on the bell, and hopefully see you in the next video.